Anonymous flyers now showing up on the doorsteps of many Johnson County residents, and it's all to convince Roeland Park residents to not support an ordinance protecting the LGBT community. Jenna Hanchard attended tonight's meeting about the proposal. She joins us now live from Roeland Park City Hall.
Well, that's right. Residents are packed inside of City Hall right now. That's because council members have been discussing this LGBT ordinance since 7 o'clock. For the last 3 hours, they've been poring over it. But there's no public comment tonight. Instead, those comments are on the lawns of many of the residents in this city.
That's it.
This week, a mysterious flyer landed at the doorstep of Artie Davis and some of his neighbors.
I put it in our shredder. I just thought, this is such misinformation. I don't want it in our house.
The flyer is from a group of anonymous people called Roeland Park Residents for Non-Discrimination.
If they really believe what they say, they're too cowardly to stand up and say who they are, and I'm offended by that.
The flyer opposes a proposed city ordinance that seeks to protect lesbian, gay, and transgender people from being fired or denied services in the city because of their sexual orientation and gender identity. The flyer lists several concerns with the ordinance, and the biggest concern starts here. The ordinance, with its current language, would allow individuals to use a public restroom according to the gender they identify with, allowing males and females to use restrooms of the opposite sex.
I think they're making a larger issue out of that than what really needs to happen.
Roeland Park resident Kevin White saw the flyer today and says the bathroom is a non-issue.
Even if there was a transgendered person, male or female, and they went into the restroom that they're comfortable with, most people are not going to know.
Tonight, Roeland Park council members continue to publicly hash out the language and details of the ordinance before the anticipated vote on Monday.
Well, it's been a very emotional debate for people on both sides. I just want to make sure all sides are heard as much as possible and we get the ordinance refined so that everybody feels comfortable voting on it.
Well, we did email some of the people that were associated with this flyer, and they didn't tell us their names, but they did say that they wanted to put out this flyer in order to encourage people to vote and come speak out about the ordinance. Reporting live in Roeland Park, Jenna Hanchard, 41 Action News.